In this video, we're going to look at the A and the D value in trigonometric transformations, and these cause vertical transformations. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at some of the language around that, and we're going to identify the range. Now the range is from the maximum point down to the minimum point, and these are Y values. So the maximum Y value is -1, and the minimum Y value is -7. So the first thing we can do is say that the range is bigger than -7, but smaller than -1. Now from here, I can look for something called the principal axis, which is halfway between those two. The principal axis. So if I add those two up, -7 and -1, it gives me -8, and I divide by 2, and it gives me -4. Principal axis is always horizontal, so it's y equals -4. So I'm going to draw that on there. So here is -4, and you can see this just cuts across here where y is -4. Now the amplitude is the difference from the top or the bottom of the graph to the principal axis. So that's 3. And that's always your A value. So A is equal to 3. So I've got A as 3 now. Now to get the D value, what I'm going to do is take this point here at 90 minus 1. Because one thing I know is that sine 90 equals 1. And now I've got 3, because that's the amplitude, sine 90 with the x value, but this time it equals, I'm going to add on the d, which I don't know, and it equals -1. So sine 90 equals -1. I already know that sine 90 is 1, so this equation comes down to 3 plus d equals -1. So I can see that d is -4. So there's my A and my D values. The A basically stretches the graph, and the D translates the graph vertically. So I stretch in the vertical direction for A, and this is a translation vertically by D units.